Make sure your little one is stylish, as they're saving the earth one step at a time with this great shoe from Geox Kids that's in a collaboration with the World Wildlife Foundation. This silhouette uses a leather and synthetic upper with some suede overlays for durability. It has a traditional lace-up with the words "Save Our Planet" woven in, featuring a small hidden hook loop closure with a zipper so they can slip this on and off with ease. The inside of the shoe is also a nice canvas that's lightly padded, featuring a jumbo cat print that's very breathable with a foam footbed underneath that has some extra squish with an antimicrobial lining to keep that foot environment always feeling nice. There is perforation in the forefoot there that allows any water or moisture to drain out of the shoe, but it won't let any get back on the inside, making sure that environment is super healthy and dry. The outsole itself is a one-piece synthetic design that has a very grippy feel with plenty of flex, especially with that flex system there in the forefoot.